All right, here we are once again outside my AT&T store with the Pixel 8. Somehow the size on this feels a lot nicer. If you've ever held the Pixel Fold and you know, like with that kind of front screen, the passport thing feels like, this feels a lot more like that versus like the 7A or the regular 7. So it's nice. I know the screen size I think is the same, but it feels a little bit easier in the hand. I like the curved corners. I wasn't sold on it at first, but I really like it now. This is 4K HDR10 enabled, speech enhancement turned on, footage from the rear camera on the Pixel 8, the regular model. So let me know what you think. Obviously, how it sounds, how it looks. I think the colors look really good so far. The screen, just like the Pro, stays nice and bright in the sun, which is right behind me. Get a shot of that. It's 450 right now. So yeah, let's do the front camera. So actually, really quick before we do the front camera, we're gonna test the speech enhancement because we're near an airport and see what this 4K looks like without the HDR10 turned on. Because like I said before, not every editor supports it, and you can't use it everywhere. It just looks really bad sometimes. So same deal on this. So it seems like it's a slightly smaller front lens. I may or may not be wrong. I actually didn't get to watch the entire thing because I'm at work today. So I had my headphone in. I was listening to This Is Tech Today. Shout out to that guy. Brandon's super cool. Sub to him. He did a whole live stream and he's got like some affiliate links through Best Buy with their ridiculously crazy trade-in deal and all that stuff. So make sure and pick up your Pixel 8 or 8 Pro somewhere. Best Buy, great trade-in deals. AT&T, we're gonna have some great trade-in deals too. I haven't quite heard them yet, but I know they're coming. Or the Google store has decent ones, has pretty decent. As you can see, the HDR on this is pretty good. HDR10 is not enabled right now, but the dynamic range between the sun and my face and the Christopher Nolan thing, the lens flare, looks really good. I'm actually really happy with this. Again, with the traffic, let me know how it sounds because the speech enhancement is turned on. It's also 4K. So let's try it with HDR10. That's it for the clips. Okay, last clip outside of AT&T. This is HDR10, 4K, 30 frames per second, speech enhancement turned on. I'm actually really liking the size of this phone. It's very handleable. It's very non-intrusive. Like when I hold this phone, I hold it with it's kind of like this. Like I hold it with this and this finger, and then these fingers are supporting the back. So if you have a super big heavy phone like the iPhone, your fingers get tired, they get fatigued if you're standing here talking for ages. Do you see the reflections on these cars driving past from the sun? Look at that. Ooh, that's cool. That looks really nice. It wasn't blown out either. Did you see? It was kind of like it was warmer than that. It didn't look blown out at all. The screen is staying nice and bright. It did just dim a little bit. It's not getting hot at all though. The phone's not getting warm at all. The screen did dim, probably because we're in the direct sunlight at 5 p.m. But yeah, a super solid camera device so far. Really excited to see the full non-pre-release version of the camera and see what Google Photos can do as far as reprocessing those videos, just like they did with the original Pixel and Photos. Really excited about that.